Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you are signing in with your Microsoft account email. Do not use the old Mojang credentials anymore. Check if two-step verification is enabled and which trusted device can receive codes. Inspect your recovery email and phone number for accuracy. Look for account lock emails in your inbox and your spam folder. If you recently changed the password, wait 30 minutes for systems to update. Also verify your Xbox Live gamer tag appears under your account settings. If you cannot sign in, reset your password at account. Live. com/password/reset right away. Follow the recovery prompts and provide any requested recovery email or phone. After signing in, open Microsoft account settings and confirm Minecraft appears linked to your Xbox profile. If needed, unlink and relink the game from the Game Settings menu. Check spam and promotions folders for verification or confirmation emails. Try signing in to the Xbox app to verify your gamer tag displays correctly. If recovery steps fail, gather your transaction ID, order number, and purchase email. Prepare screenshots of error messages and include your Xbox gamer tag and platform details. Use the official Microsoft support contact form to submit a case and attach your documentation. Expect to allow up to 48 hours for a response, though times may vary. When support replies, follow their troubleshooting steps and provide any requested verification quickly. Keep checking your email and spam folder during this period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.